This video is going to describe how to create a session factory in Hibernate. So first I have to create Java class. I just type name Hibernate session factory. It's my Java class name. Just click on finish button. Now I just create method. That method should return session factory object. So return type of this method should be a session factory object. Public session factory. Name of the method I just write get session factory. Here in our as per the tutorial we just create Hibernate configuration file. So this means create connection between Java class and our database. So we have to use database configuration. That's why we have to use that configuration file. It's called hibernate.cfg.xml. So my first task is to load that configuration file into my code base. Then I have to create configuration object, configuration Hibernate.configuration c config equal new configuration, then config.configure, and I just insert name of the file hibernate.cfg.xml. Then we have to load new standard service registry standard service registry builder total apply settings. Which settings? Then our configuration object, properties of our configuration object, config.get properties, then build. And as you can see, this build method return is standard service registry. So we just create variable standard service registry, standard service registry. And this line create session factory using our config object dot build session factory, and you have to select this overload method service registry. You have to pass service registry. What is standard service registry? Service registry is the subtype of standard service registry. So we can pass that standard service registry object into this method as a param, standard service registry. And this build session factory method returns session factory. So this is created session factory object. We simply return session factory. Okay, this it's better if you can make this method static, because we just call this object without creating an object. So I simply make this method static. Then public static session factory get session factory.